In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight in CapCut in the simplest way possible. Whether you want to highlight a video element, text, or any object on your timeline, this quick trick can help you select and work with items much faster inside your edit. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and go to the project where you want to make your edits. Once your timeline is loaded, look for the video clip, text, sticker, or any other element you want to highlight. Now, here's the key step. Simply click on the item you want to highlight. When you click on it, CapCut will automatically select it and show you that it's active. You'll usually see a border, outline, or handles appear around the item so you know it's been highlighted. If you clicked a text layer, the text box will become active. If you clicked a video clip, that clip will be selected on the timeline. And if you clicked another element like a sticker or overlay, that object will also be highlighted and ready for editing. This is super useful because once something is highlighted, you can move it, trim it, resize it, or adjust its settings without affecting anything else in your project. If you want to highlight a different item, just click on that new element and CapCut will switch the selection immediately. So remember, the fastest way to highlight in CapCut is simply to click on the video, text, or any element you want to work with. It's a small step, but it makes editing much easier and much faster. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.